today. Grabe, ang dami namin ng bata. Kasi, in-stock ko na lahat ng mga kailangan ko for today. Since I have my Canon G7X camera, sunglasses, some chargers, cables, purse, ano pa ba, mga anik-anik, alcohol, mga ganyan ang laman ng bag ko. So, thick. And then mainit. Kaya nag-tube top na lang ako at nakapayong ko. Taas yung buhok ko. Pero I put something, mousse cream para mamaya. We have some dogs. Hi guys, this is Belle and welcome to my vlog. So we've been living away from the Smith and today we're here in Macau Avenue. We checked in here at the shelter. For today, we're gonna move around the area. Grabe, ang lakas. We're going to move around the area and see everything again. It's our first time here, pero ang husband ko hindi. Ako first time, kasi hindi naman ako dala ng Manila. So now, lilibutin natin itong area. Magtutour tayo. Let's create memories. And again, I'm sharing with you guys para magamit ka rin as a guide and you can manage your expectations.
Rồi cam.
So kailangan natin tumawid NU MOA building. Oh my gosh. So, why? How do they call the jeepney? What do they say when it goes to MOA? Ikya! So they're kissing. So ngayon maglalakad tayo papuntang Mall of Asia. Lagi ko nasasabi parang Mall of Emirates. Mall of Asia. Yeah. So first time din ng kids na maggagala. Ito yung globe. Ito yung runabout. Globe runabout. Tama? Ano ba sinisimbolize niyan, Dad?
The globe.
Globe lang. The globe lang talaga. So, meron na silang IKEA dito. Ang dami nakapalibot na SMDC properties. Kasi syempre yan yung ang Mall of Asia is owned by SMDC properties. We're taking this. Dito tatawid? Yata. So, hindi na natin alam.
From other side.
I think so. Better. Oo, ito.
Kita ko yung
Wala kasing signage eh. Tingnan nga natin dito. Walang signage. Ha? Let's go this side.
Baka wala eh.
Para matry natin.
Parang sa kabila yun eh.
It's early anyway daw. Kaya sabi ni Obi, kaya try na lang natin.
Why it's early? I don't think it there is. Yeah, there's a bridge. Only this bridge.
Oh, merong footbridge. So, mag-footbridge na lang tayo. So anyway, nandito na tayo sa area ng Mall of Asia. So bali, magbe-breakfast kami and then nag-decide na sa IKEA na lang kami mag-breakfast. Try naman natin yung breakfast nila dito sa IKEA Philippines. Oh, merong wishing well date dito. Ang sabi, the proceeds from the coins you drop will go to the Pondo ng Pinoy, which is pag-ibig ng Panginoon, pag-asa ng Pilipino. It's a project of His Eminence, Gaudencio Cardinal Rosales. So every penny you drop goes to something. So you wish for something and then you help something or someone.
Good. Ayun.
Mommy, mommy,
Where's mine?
mommy, how do I make a wish? Do this with the coin?
Which person
Yeah.
intro?
Daddy, my wish. Just go. Yay! Let's go.
Oh, you done?
Let's go. Grabe yung weather ngayon sa Pilipinas. I mean, wala namang pagkakaiba sa Dubai. Pero kasi dito yung usok tsaka ikabot compared sa Dubai. And then mostly AC talaga. Konting lakad lang may AC na. Yung mga kasalubong ko dito talagang pawis na pawis, kulas-kulas na. Knowing na ang aga pa lang ha, what time is it guys?
8:33.
8:33.
50.
Tignan mo din ako. Kulas-kulas na. Kasana ko yung ini ko. So, ang init. Which is normal. Kasi anong petsa? May ngayon. Summer. Papunta ng summer. Talagang mainit. Kailangan may electric fan kang dala. Concern ko rin pala dahil lahat ng mga chargers namin hindi pasok dito sa outlet ng Pilipinas. Ayun, hirap na hirap kami lagi mag-charge. Lagi magawan sa charger kasi meron lang kami isang adapter. Andito na kami sa IKEA.
Oh, withdraw.
Ito na yung IKEA. So, kailangan lang namin hanapin yung tawiran papuntang IKEA. This is kind of like a road. Madapa. Ano ba kasi papunta yan? Pero kailangan natin kumangin. Saan ngayon ang tawiran? Ayun, nahanap na namin yung tawiran. So, parang pedestrian. Papunta na kami sa IKEA. Ay, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock pa ang bukas. 9 o'clock.
8:58. It's okay. 8:58.
Anong nalaman?
8:58.
Ayun o, open daily. Yung Swedish Cafe.
Today's Monday. Today's Monday.
Open daily.
May na?
Nagka-countdown na sila. Ayan na.
Guys,
What?
we're all gonna be the first one like, yeah.
Okay. Okay, but level 4 ang dining area ng IKEA. We're going straight there now. We are the first customers to come in here because few minutes bago magbukas, pumasok na kami kagad. Ayan, bukasan pa nga lang sila. I hope they already have food. Ayan nga. Okay. Anyway, nagbukas ang IKEA pero ang dining area nila is 9:30. So ngayon, waiting muna kami dito sa may anong floor, third floor. Antay muna kami ng 9:30, 30 minutes bago makyat. Pagkatulog pa lang ng ding ding dong. Tayo ka agad si Danny, sabi niya, tara. It's too early. Like, he didn't wait. Like, he's really like wanted to eat now. Brewed coffee is 40. 45 naman yung still juice. Or is it sparkling? Ah, parang same setup siya. Same setup ng Dubai na merong ganyan. Toilet agad dito. So, ayun na. So, what do you guys want? Spaghetti, sausages, then croissant. Bon appetit.
I don't know what to believe anymore.
Is this Hungarian, Daddy? Ang sarap, grabe. This is pork. These are pork.
We will welcome our friends and visitors in 5 minutes.
Bah, bumili siya ng token. Token. Kasya pa.
Bigyan mo pagdadalawa yan. You can get what you know.
You choose.
For me?
Where's Gwen? Oh, really? Okay. Really? Go.
Ganun ba ang pinakapan?
Oo.
What about this?
Check all.
Chinik niya na lahat. Gambe. This are kids side. You want the kids? Okay. Oh, you want? Oh, Minecraft.
But I don't think there's anything there.
It requires 4 tokens though.
Oh, what is this?
2 tokens.
Oh,
Here. Daddy, mahal din pala kasi kailangan mo ng 3 tokens, ganyan. Yung 2 token, maliliit, lang.
Pero lang, wala tag-iisa.
Wala.
Ha?
Wala. Minimum 2 tokens. Pero parang keychain lang siya.
Oh, these 3?
1 by 1.
Oh.
How much is it? 3, so you go.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, turn.
This?
Yeah. Wow.
Huh?
Come on, more.
2.
What the?
Thank you.
Give me let me hold your token.
How do you open?
Crack it. No. There.
This?
There.
Oh.
Keychain.
What's that?
This one.
You like that?
Yeah. Thank you, Dad.
Log, ano yung muna yung gusto mong makuha?
Ah.
Ito. Hindi niya. Ito, tsaka ito. Paano pa? Kung sakasakali. Ito. Tulad niya. Magkuha niya. Ito yung lumabas. Talon siya. Exacto. Ito yung
Your favorite niya? And what about you? What did you get? Wow.
I forgot this one's name.
Okay mo.
Pokemon and Minecraft?
Yeah.
And what about you?
Okay, click your It's not on your one.
Is it a clip for the hair?
Sit down.
Oh. Can also use for the book?
Watch. I
No, it's not for the hair, I think.
I don't have anywhere to put it right now.
So cute though.
Daming gamot.
Okay, may pang-scam dito. It says, which coin rolls faster? Roll coins on funnel surface. So we're gonna find out which coin rolls faster. 25 cents, 1 peso, 5 peso. And I think this is 10 pesos. Yeah, 10 pesos. So it's their way to get. Daddy, you don't have any to put it here? Huh?
10.
Yeah, there is 10 also. You gonna do that?
Para saan?
No, you just gonna...
Just catch it before it falls.
Okay, catch it though before it falls.
Try.
Okay.
You'll catch it, o kuya. Catch it before it falls.
Both of us.
Yeah, catch it before it falls. Ready? Don't let it fall, ha? It's my 10 peso. You will return it 20. Catch it. One more time. Okay, good. You copy. Your turn. Catch it before it falls. Let kuya, you already,
Okay, it's
you already proven your, It's Obi's turn to not let my 10 dirhams go.
10 pesos.
10 pesos. All mo. Mahuhulog pa kay Gern, huwag na natin.
Okay, let's go.